safer, got a little bit more reliable of a base income, and the other one's got bigger upside potential.
My advice to you, get Cardone U.
Okay.
Because if you had Cardone U, you wouldn't be asking me that question. You would already know what company to go with.
Yeah.
Which one would you go with if you knew what the shit you were doing?
Yeah. Think big.
You'd go with the better opportunity,
Right.
not the better base.
Yeah.
So,
No, I appreciate that.
but you're gonna no matter how much personal confidence a person has, they don't know how much they can have.
Right.
So like once you know he knows this to be true and I know it to be true. Okay, so like 25. How old are you?
25.
I was 25 years old, dude. I'm like, man, I know I can do something, but dude, I didn't know how to do anything.
Right.
And then then I started getting some skills on how to call on people. I'm like, shit, dude, I'm gonna be badass, bro.
Yeah.
You know, you can think you know how to fight, and then you can go train to fight.
Yeah. So that'll take it to the next level.
You start. My wife's training right now. She's training how to fight. They taught her. They said, hey, if you want your legs to be solid, you got to get hit.
What kind of
You
training
can't.
is she doing?
The guy said,
Just
look,
straight up
kickboxing.
you can't have strong legs. Just
you
do
get-
it.
you gotta
Just-
get kicked.
You have to get hit. That's what builds strength. You got to get hit, and then you got to learn how to kick back, right?
Yeah.
So be kick and kick. And so all I'm saying is Cardone University, man, it's going to give you it's going to wrap your spine.
Yeah.
You already have confidence, and you look good, and people are going to like you naturally. I know a lot of guys that people like them. They can't make any money.
Right. Right.
But everybody's like, man, you're a nice guy, dude. I like you. I really like you, man.
I get that a lot, man. You'd be
Yeah.
surprised.
Yeah, but that's
I
not
like
good.
that, but I'm not buying from
That's
you.
not good. That's not good. I'm
Yeah.
not buying from you. Okay,
Right,
man, you're a nice dude, man. Okay, give me your card. But it's a go away thing. You got to learn how to use that nice guy and turn that guy into a closer and a killer.
Right. Yeah. I guess the
And then
challenge I'm having,
your confidence. They won't say you're confident anymore. They're not going to be like, oh, you're confident. They'll be like, I want to hire you.
Right.
And the next thing will be, they know they can't hire you because you're making too much paper. Get him caught on you, man. Okay. Okay. Thank you for coming in. Dude, you guys got to get you. It's not enough to have confidence and good looks. It's not even enough to have talent. You need to put some freaking gristle on the spine. You need to put some muscle on the bone. You need to put some intelligence in the head. You need to put knowledge in your feet, man. So I know how to call on somebody, what to say with them, what to say to them, what to say at them, and then I know how to shut them down, follow them up, and check this out. This is what I'm gonna be working on this Saturday. You need to know what to do with the money once you get it. Because there's a bunch of you out there. I met a dude on the plane the other day. He's a rapper. He's made at least as much money as I have. Problem is he don't know how to keep it. Guy's all broke up, down, busted, out, over. I'm like, bro, you made all that dough and you ended up with none of it? What the is wrong with you, man? You got good looks, you got courage, you got talent, and you blew it all. You know why? He had the wrong data, the wrong information about money. If you have the wrong information about money, it is going to go away. Most of you don't know how to get it, most people don't know how to keep it, and almost no one knows how to multiply it. I'll see you Saturday. Guarantee you it's a game changer.